going up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are at the vintage house. As you can see, the car is on jack stands and we are currently working on it. We have a special mod we're putting for this car. It is the M2B4 from the 4th gen Prelude. It does have an LSD. I don't know how many kilometers or whatever miles it has, but we're gonna see if it's working. We're also adding a light flywheel and innovative engine mounts to the car.
Alright, so now we're working on the car right now. So the camera died, but then we just started on the car already. So far, we've done a lot of things already. So I already have took out the intake. I just barely came here too, so I just took out this leg. Yeah, we should be good right now. We're getting close. We're about 25% done right now because Todd did a lot of things. So we're gonna take out the linkage and then drain the tranny fluid, and yeah, we should be ready to take it out. So yeah.
We're gonna get this car done. We're not gonna show a lot of the engine parts removal because you already seen that on the other videos. We're just gonna focus on the actual parts we're installing, like the tranny, the light flywheel, and the engine mounts. Alright guys, so here is all the awesome stuff, the goodies. We got the innovative engine mounts. I forgot to tell you guys, but we also got, oh, where is it? D10 Springs that we're gonna install. These are Speed Factory D10 Springs. We're gonna install them on the M2B4. The light flywheel right here from eBay. This is eBay sponsored. Just kidding. Yeah, those are all the stuff we're gonna install. Let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna install the D10 Springs first because it's pretty easy, I think. So let's get it. Alright, so we got the D10 Springs right here. Here they are. A lot bigger than OEM. A lot stiffer too. These are the holes for the D10 Springs to go. Alright, so we're taking off the D10 Springs from the top. No ball. Oh, the ball's inside. Oh, the ball's inside there. So as you can see, how it looks like right here. The ball's in there already. Those are the OEM size. Look at the difference. It's a little bit squishy. I can compress it. This one, I can't really compress it. So there is a ball in there, don't lose it. As you can see, kind of just want to put it on it and then push it down. As we're doing this, A-Town's doing his 5 lug swap. He messed up and
No, I didn't mess up. The previous one was messed up. They have 19 in the front drivers. Okay, and then they have the driver rear as 17, and then the driver rear, the passenger rear, there's 17 with a key, and then the front is also a 17, so they're all different lug sizes.
yeah.
So
Shout out to those owners.
Yep, shout out to those Jake owners. We're almost there. We took out the passenger side axle. Now we're taking a little break, just like a 5-minute break, and then we might head on to the driver's side axle, which is not that hard. It's pretty easy, same way how passenger, but it just have a half shaft where we gotta take off. That's the 3 bolt. But for this one, when we bought the motor, this thing was meant for an H2B, so they already shaved a part that is for the 3rd bolt, but so it's only holding on to 2 bolts. But if you didn't shave it yet, there would be 3 14 bolt that's on it on the half shaft. So right now, once we get the half shaft out, we better at least try to get the traction bar or the Prelude off, and then that's when we take out the tranny. So be ready for that.
Alright, so we're back. We have half shaft, driver side axle, the T-bar, whatever, subframe, whatever, passenger side axle. Basically, now we're just removing all the, I think they're called the bell housing bolts from the transmission. Chris arrived in his newly Altezza from Japan with the BN kit. There it is.
My new wheels today.
He's about to put on his new wheels. What is it? What's the new wheels?
T-Heat 37.
Oh, on the S15. Just kidding. But yep, we're almost there. I was in there for a couple, like 2 hours, just doing whatever. Taking a break. Alex and I switch. Alex is currently removing some stuff down there. Moving along, moving along. Fun stuff is coming soon. There it is. Alex, say what's up.
What's up, y'all?
Alright guys, so we taking off the radius arm. I think this is called the radius arm for the front subframe. Now Alex has taken off all the transmission bolts from the bottom. We only need to take off 2 and the transmission mount, and the transmission will drop. And from there we will install the innovative engine mounts, do that, put the flywheel in, the new transmission, bolt everything back up, and the car should be perfect. No more movement from the engine, because every time when I was driving the car and I would shift, the engine would move up and down. I'm gonna go grab some stuff for A-Town's 240, and yep, we'll be back. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got the old transmission out. It was a bitch, but we figured it out. Now I need to move this vehicle speed sensor onto the old one. That'll be it. Take some of these bolts for the linkages, and we'd be good to go. Pretty chill. All right, so as you can see, this is the vehicle speed sensor on the 5th gen Prelude. For the 4th gen, it comes with power steering lines and shit to read your speed. But to do the vehicle speed sensor swap to this was the old one. As you can see, it was like drive by wire or something. I took it all off at home, but that's about it. It should just drop straight in.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, perfect. Easy. That's a swap. We installed the first transmission side innovative mounts. They look good. Feel stiff. I know they ain't going nowhere. It's good. You gotta do the back now. Come on. Alright, so I don't know what our plan of attack is, but
Alright, so basically the back is kind of hard. We watch a lot of YouTube. They usually take out the intake manifold, but then we don't want it to because it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
A lot of OEM stuff is on. The best choice we could do is so we got this one little tool. It's this thing right here. So we're gonna adapt it, and it should get us some plates on it to go through the gap.
the craziest angles.
Yeah, so let's hope that works.
Let's hope that works.
Yeah.
Let's hope that works.
If I can even see it.
Alright, so Alex is currently taking off the T-bracket. It's gone pretty well. Hopefully taking off the T-bracket will give us all the clearance we need. So yeah, going hard at it. We can't really do nothing much. Just gonna
See it right there.
get that last one out.
So right there, that's where the bolt we took out. Now we taking out the other one.
Make sure to wear your safety glasses, guys.
Yeah, wear goggles.
I wasn't recording, but we took out the other bolt. It's over here.
So we are able to take it out and move it over so we can get access to that last bolt right there.
Oh shit!
You got a cave?
Works, bro.
We got a caveman over here. Alright, so we got the new motor mount in right there. Well, Alex is putting in the bracket now.